Hello, myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic is criteria for similarity of triangles. We already discussed about similarity of triangles. Now, how you can say these two triangles are similar? First is by its definition, and if you have no information regarding its definitions, you have three criteria for giving similarity of two triangles. Your first criterion is AAA or AA similarity. Second criterion is SSS similarity, and third criterion is SAS similarity. Now we understand how this criterion applied. AAA similarity, that means what? You can say this is AA similarity also. Whenever you have two triangles, suppose one is ABC and other is PQR, and you don't know about its sides, ratios informations, but you know whenever its corresponds angles are equal. That means A is equal to P given, B is equal to Q given, and C is equal to R given. You don't know about its sides informations because according to our definition, corresponds angles are equal and corresponding sides ratios are equal. But here we don't know about its sides. But if you know just its corresponding angles are equal, then by criterion of this AA similarity, you can say these two triangles are similar. So you can say by AAA criterion of similarity, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Same way, SSS similarity, that means you have no information about its angle, but you have information about its sides. You have two triangle ABC and PQR. This sides and this sides ratio, this side and this sides ratio, this side and this sides ratios. These all ratios are in proportion or equal. Then you can say these two triangles are similar. That means you have AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, and AC upon PR. That means these answers and these answers are equal. It means you have three sides corresponding are in same proportion. Then you can say these two triangles ABC and PQR are similar by similarity criterion of SSS. So you can write by SSS criterion of similarity, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Now for SSS similarity. In SSS similarity, you have two triangle ABC and PQR. You have two sides corresponds, ratios are equal and their common angles are equal. That means if you have AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, so AB upon PQ and BC upon QR. So that between angles or common angle is Q, B and Q. That's why these two angles are equal. So you have two informations here. Corresponds two sides ratios are equal and their common angles are equal. So common angle in this is B and in this Q. So these two are equal. If you take these and these ratios are equal, then its common angle is C and R. That means two sides corresponds, ratios are equal and common one angles are equal. So by SAS, that means this is S, this is A and this is S. SAS criterion of similarity, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Now apply this criterion in example. In this first example, you have triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. What is information is given in your questions? Here angle A measurement is 60, here angle X measurement is 60. Here angle B measurement is 80, here angle Y measurement is 80. Here angle C measurement is 40 and here angle Z measurement is 40. We don't know about its sides informations, but we can say these two triangles are similar. How? By not its definition of similarity, by its criterion of similarity. So you can write here angle A is equal to angle X is equal to 60. Angle B is equal to angle Y is equal to 80. Angle C is equal to angle Z is equal to 40. So which criterion you can apply here? AAA. So by AAA, criterion of similarity, triangle ABC similar to triangle XYZ. Now, in second questions, you have informations about its sides. Check which sides corresponds ratios are equal because you don't know about its angle. So, first of all check which corresponds it's possible here. So, 2 upon 4, so it is 1 by 2. 3 upon 6, it is 1 by 2. 2.5 upon 5, that means 25 upon 50. So 25 to 50. Yes, that corresponds all sides we get here. So you can write here AB upon PQ is equal to 2 upon 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. BC upon QR is equal to 2.5 upon 5, 25 upon 10. Decimal remove, so multiply by 10 in division. So 5 5s are, sorry, here is 50. 25 2s and 25 1s are, so this is 1 by 2. Same way AC upon PI. So 3 upon 6, 3 1s are, 3 2s are. This is also 1 by 2. So its correspond sides ratios all are equal. That's why you can say by SSS, criterion of similarity, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Now in third example, you have information about its one angle and two sides. Now you should be check which sides ratios are equal because we know here common angle is 70. So you can write here C, which is angle M, which is equal to angle Q is equal to 70. So M sides is NM and Q sides is PQ. Check its ratios are equal. 2.5 upon 5. So 25 upon 50 is 1 by 2. And these sides ratios QR and ML are equal. So you can write here MN upon PQ, which is equal to 2.5 upon 5, 25 upon 50, so 1 by 2. And second is ML upon, this ML upon QR. There is some mistake. 25 upon 5, yes, correct. ML upon QR. So this is 5 and this is 10. 5 1s are, 5 2s are. So this is 1 by 2. So you can say side, angle, side. So by SAS, criterion of similarity, triangle MNL similar to triangle PQR. If you want to write corresponds, so you can write this way: triangle MNL corresponds, M corresponding is Q. So you can write here triangle Q. Okay, and N corresponding P. So here is P and here you can write. This is, you think about its triangle. So just write, you can do anything. If you really like my channel, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.